Hi guys, my name is Kavita Vaghasiya and my student ID is MIT172162 and I am a student at Melbourne Institute of Technology, and I'm making this video for the purpose of my assignment 1 of MN506, which is Network Server Performance Monitoring Tool. Today I'm going to show you about the two performance monitoring tool, which is NMON, and the second one is ATOP. This is my outline. Demonstration using NMON, which is a computer performance system monitoring tool, and demonstration using ATOP, which will give you in detail about the hardware resources, and then I will give the comparison, and at the end I will give the conclusion. To start with the commands, you first need to download the Ubuntu, or you can use the Kali Linux too. So you should have VirtualBox, and then you can use the Kali and Ubuntu, whatever you want to use. But today I'm going to show you about Ubuntu because I have already downloaded the Ubuntu here. So first I will show you about the NMON tool. So you just simply need to go to the terminal to start with, and then I prefer it to update it to work well with the commands. So to update it, there is a command sudo apt-get update, and it will ask you about the password. So I'm putting my password here. It will take few seconds to update it, but after that you can work with easily. So make sure you update before you start. Once it updated, I will just, here it's done. And now I will show you how we can install NMON command. So sudo apt-get, then install NMON. This is the command to install the NMON. Here it's already installed, and if you want to go to the window of NMON, you just simply type NMON and then give the enter. Here we are on the window of NMON, and these are the useful commands that we can use when we work with the NMON. So I will show you a few commands. So first start with the CPU. So in NMON, you just simply type the relative keywords of the command from your keyboard. So C, it will give you the CPU utilization, its users, systems, and it keeps changing. I will give you one example. If I open the Google, and here I'm going to press the YouTube, so it increased the number like 84.2. It keeps changing, it is not static. So other command I will show you is about the M for memory. So it will give you the statistics about memory, how much RAM is there, is it high or low, and everything. And next command is the K for kernel. So it will give you the kernel statistic, as it is a heart of operating system. So it will show you how much load on the system, its average CPU use since boot time, how much time you wanna give to the system for the boot. And then the next I will show you is about the D. So disk input and output. It will give you read and write disk and the space about it, everything. And the last I want to show you is about the N, which is a network. So it will give you the network input and output according to the packet size and all. It's monitored every time. So this is all about the NMON, and I'm going back to my screen and I will clear all this to start with the second command. So now I will install the ATOP, which is my second performance monitoring tool. So the same way you will install the sudo apt-get install ATOP. Let's install it. It's already installed, and same, type ATOP from your keyboard and just press enter. It will drag you to the ATOP window. Just the difference with the ATOP and NMON, to use it is like in NMON you just press relative key from your keyboard, but with the ATOP you have to type command. So I will show you few commands with the ATOP. So first I have to type ATOP-C for CPU. So it will drag you to the window automatically, and this command will give the list process according to their CPU users with their permission IDs and full command line with the parameters and options. It will take time, but see, its result is here with the command line. Next I will show you is about the memory. So ATOP-M. So it will give you all the list information like permission IC, minimum and maximum fault numbers, stack, size, resize, grow, reusers, and everything. And at the end, it will show you the perfect result by monitoring all the system. It's here, PIT and fault and size and everything. So I'm just making it quick, and I will show you the next command, which is about the disk. So -d. So we can see the disk utilization of each process separately, like read disk, write disk, and general disk uses, and also related commands. So it is performing, and yeah, here is the result of that. And the next command I want to show is about the atop-p means the process. So it will show other metrics about the disk like networks and everything, system side CPU users, user side CPU users, real memory size, disk read and disk write, and everything. So this is all about N1 and atop tool. Now I want to show you about the comparison of the tools. So here is the comparison. Like N1 is a computer performance system monitor tool for AXI or Linux operating system, and ATOP is interactive monitor to view the load on a system. N1 is used to display performance data of CPU, memory, network, desktop processes resources, whereas ATOP will give the occupation of most critical hardware resources on system level. With the N1, to move from one screen to another, you just need to press the relevant key from the keyboard. And with the ATOP, you have to type particular command in the terminal. And N1 is useful for system administrator because it easily monitors the performance of various components and they manage them accordingly. With the ATOP, it is helpful for SA as it is capable for reporting activity of all processes even if process have finished during the interval. So N1 is very easy than the ATOP because ATOP is a bit complex, and N1 automatic monitoring is possible once you have to fix the time that after this time I want to monitoring this system. So it will do it automatically, and with the ATOP, system administrator need to log in to see the level of activity related to CPU, memory, disk, and complex and mon. And next is my conclusion. So N1 can capture the data and save it in the file, whereas SA means system administrator can easily monitor the performance of the component and manage them according to the data. With the ATOP is useful as it runs in the background, so it's all the time active and it provides the performance to the system administrator at any time by logging. And I like ATOP because it's active all the time and shows the critical load of hardware resources. So thank you, and this is all about the N1 and ATOP tool which I have to show you today. And thank you for watching this video.